it's Martin Cooper here again, and thank you for watching, taking the time to watch this video, or if you've watched any of my previous videos. Now look at the 150 at Newbury. It's a Class 2, 13 runners, a shade over 3 miles. The going is probably going to be on the testing side, with good soft in places, but it's not going to be bottomless. There are runners and riders. We can see Milan bound. John O'Neill's yard is certainly coming back into form with a vengeance. A clutch of winners this week. Certainly doing well with his hurdles, I think. Maybe McCoy on board. And it is very well handicapped, as I'll show you with Patternform on its last run. So, going to Patternform, finding the card on 150. So first of all, let's look at how many runners and riders have performed over close to this distance, 3 miles 1, go to a hurdle, 2 years plus, to get plenty of data. Got a number of horses here that are either stepping up in distance, stepping down, haven't run over hurdles 3 miles apart. Perhaps they've been chasing and been brought back to hurdles. I don't know. Sorting on the win value, I've got Riggerback Bob. Certainly a classy horse in its time. With a Group 3 novice hurdle race. Been running a Grade 1, Grade 2 level. But that was some time ago. Its last race in Grade 2. And it won a Grade 3. That Grade 3 win was nearly 5 years ago. Probably not a horse that's going to improve, really. Or if it does, not very much. Riding Pines, last time on a Chepstow, at 3 miles on good to soft in a field of 11, for mark 128. It's only £3 higher today. As you can see, its other form is pretty solid, apart from the form of Cheltenham. That was in the Albert Bartlett. And it was a Group 1 novice hurdle. It fell. I don't think it was ever competitive, but obviously the owners and the trainers think a lot about this horse because it was a great run novice hurdle. So it has some decent form in at around Class 2, Class 3 level. And even though it fell in that race, it's probably quite a highly thought of horse at home. Closing ceremony, another progressive horse. Certainly has form on soft ground, which will probably help it today. Last one at Haydock, I think he finished second last time out. Just have a look. Closing ceremony, yes, he finished second last time out, but it is a progressive horse over this distance, and will certainly going shouldn't provide any problems. Creeping up in the weights, it's a couple of pounds higher since its last win. And its handicap mark, it's £10 up on its handicap mark, 138 to 128. So that's becoming certainly quite an ass there. Bygone Sovereign, pretty exposed. That's 112, it's running 117 today. Quite a competitive races as well. Got Milan bound, which we've already mentioned, favourite. Milan's Bar. Ran a very good race at Haydock. As you can see last time out, 3 miles on heavy ground. So the ground might be a little bit on the quick side. Might need really bottomless ground, because it's won Toxity on heavy ground as well. And it's gone up another £3 as well for that second place. So I think there are some contenders. I'm going to look at the going. So I'm going to go hurdle. I'm going to go soft, good to soft. And again, I'm going to go 2 years plus. I'm going to keep it sorted by the win value. And again, Riggerback Bob. I'll have a look at Riggerback Bob's. Just looking at my 6 months, probably at the end of this video. See if it's got any form and maybe whether it's well handicapped. Riding Pines, a couple of wins. depends on good to soft, close to the trip, today's trip. Got closing ceremony, so we've got some decent form on soft ground around this distance. Lines bound there, certainly some form ongoing. Second, it would seem to be quite aggressive for us, but it is okay, and it is the favourite today. Lines bar, and the new toxins there from 12 to 43. It's a real hike in the weights over a short period of time. So, again, riding pines, couple of wins, closing ceremonies form, certainly worth take a look. So you can probably see I'm sort of closing in on probably riding pines or closing ceremony. Let's look at the class. So we're going to go hurdles, class 2. 2 years plus. And again, we haven't got a lot of form here, so perhaps taking with a pinch of salt. Now, Shot of Vodka would seem to be reasonably well handicapped on some of these runs, although you can probably see it's, I would guess it's stepping up in trip looking at those runs. Riding Pines, again, only 2 runs, but it's got to win at Chepstow, that's second at Newbury, probably in this race. As you can see, it's £6 higher, only £3 higher from its Chepstow run, and will probably handle the going. Closing ceremony's got a second, and class 2, and it's got a further £4 for that run at Warwick in January. So let's look at the Newbury form, if there's any pointers there. Okay, got 2 years plus. See Shot Vodka. Right, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go flat galloping, which I think Newbury is a fairly flat galloping course, 2 years plus. Let's see, yes, it's included there. Closing ceremony, certainly likes this type of track. We've got Land Bound, who's got some form, albeit from just 3 runs. And Riding Pines has placed, has finished second 4 times out of 5 runs on this type of track. So finally, I'll have a look at the. I'm just going to have a look and see what the form of these horses is in the last 12 months. In hurdle races, sorting by win value, closing ceremony, very progressive mention. Milan's Bar just failed to complete the hat-trick at Haydock. It has shot up phenomenally in the weights, and it'll do well to win. Milan's Bar we've mentioned. Riggerback Bob, let's see, now that's certainly a high class horse. Riggerback Bob, go back a long way for Riggerback Bob. A very long way. So, race Riggerback Bob. It's over 2 years since it's possibly been chasing. It's coming back after a long way up. Right, that's a very quick and dirty analysis as always. Looking at the prices, Land Bound 11 to 4, it certainly's got a good chance. 11 to 4 in what seems to be quite a competitive race with decent field, certainly not offering you a lot of value. Riding Pines, that's coming back after a long break, so I think what we need to check here is 10 to 1 seems to be a fairly tasty price. Closing ceremony is 15 to 2, which is okay, I think, but it is further up the weights, and it has got up another £4 for that run at Warwick. Just check here. 3.5 lengths behind Join the Clan, although I was giving Join the Clan close to £20 that day, if you took into account the jockey's claim as well, Join was a £10 claimer. So if we look at closing ceremony, certainly was a very decent run, and I think it'll be competitive today. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the race card and look at Riding Pines, because probably the big negative with Riding Pines is its break of 288 days. And look here at its form now. After 60 days, it's got a second at Kempton, will be in a class 4, won in the class 3, and came second at Newbury in this race last year. So we'll see what kind of break it came back last year from this race. Race card. And we can say it came back from a break of 95 days. We want to see look at those other 2 runs and see if it's coming back after all. I've got 4 now, that first and that second. Because after a long break of 90 days, so we're close to around 200 plus. So I'll look at that was 249 days. Came back and won that race. It beat favourite. And that was in class 3. It was a 2.5 miler. I was racing on this hurdle, so I'm going to stop because here basically my selection for the race, I've only had small wagers as I usually do. I've gone for Riding Pines. I think closing ceremony will be competitive. I expect Milan Bound certainly to be in the mix. I'm going very, very close, but at the prices, I think 10 to 1 for Riding Pines offers excellent value. It's certainly got form at the distance, on the ground. It's only £3 up from its last run. £6 up from a very decent run here last year at Newbury in the same race. I think it's got a lot going for it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to leave any comments. Good luck with everybody's printing today. Bye bye.